Picture this. You're rolling past the city limits. The pavement starts cracking, okay? The map says good luck, and instead of turning around, you grin and punch it. Because today isn't about playing it safe. Welcome back to our channel, and today we're diving deep into the 2026 Toyota NovaVoyager 6x6 camper. A rig that looks like it was built for people who hear road ends and say, bet. Oh. This thing isn't just a camper, it's a straight-up statement on wheels, right? Off the bat, the exterior of the NovaVoyager 6.6 is pure beast mode. Toyota went all-in with an aggressive stance that sits tall and wide thanks to that triple-axle 6.6 setup. The front end has a bold grille with chunky LED lighting that screams modern but still keeps that rugged Toyota DNA. You've got skid plates underneath, beefy tow hooks, and flared fenders that look ready to shrug off rocks, mud, and whatever else you throw at them. The body lines are clean but muscular, and the high ground clearance makes it clear this camper isn't afraid to leave the asphalt behind. From the side, the extended wheelbase gives it a commanding presence, and a round back, the rear design is all business with integrated storage compartments, a heavy-duty ladder, and mounting points for extra gear. It looks like something you'd see parked at a trailhead next to lifted trucks and off-road bikes. And it absolutely fits in. Step inside, and the vibe flips from rugged to surprisingly slick. The cockpit feels more like a high-end SUV than a camper. You've got a wide digital instrument cluster, a big touchscreen running Toyota's latest infotainment, and physical buttons where you actually want them, which is a huge win. The steering wheel is chunky and confidence-boosting, and the seats are supportive enough for long hauls without wrecking your back. Visibility is solid for a rig this size, and Toyota's driver assist tech is all here. From adaptive cruise control to lane assist, which makes highway cruising way less stressful. Move back into the living area, and you'll be shocked at how open it feels. Toyota really nailed the layout. There's smart use of space everywhere, with a comfortable lounge area that can easily turn into extra sleeping space when needed. The materials feel premium but durable, like they're meant to survive real-world use and not just Instagram photos. Big windows flood the space with natural light, making it feel less like a box and more like a rolling apartment. Storage is everywhere, tucked into walls, under seats, and overhead, so you can bring all your gear without it feeling cluttered. The kitchen area is compact but straight-up functional. You've got a solid countertop, a modern sink, a cooktop, and a refrigerator that's actually big enough for a proper road trip, not just a weekend snack stash. Cabinets are well built and don't feel flimsy, which matters when you're bouncing down rough trails. Everything is laid out, so you're not doing gymnastics just to make a meal. It's the kind of setup where you can cook a legit dinner after a long day of exploring and not feel like you're camping in the dark ages. Head toward the rear and you'll find the bedroom area, and honestly, it's cozy in the best way. The bed is generously sized, with a quality mattress that doesn't feel like an afterthought. There's enough headroom to sit up comfortably, plus reading lights, charging ports, and storage for clothes and personal stuff. It feels like a proper retreat after a long drive. And that's huge when you're living the road life for days or weeks at a time. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where the NovaVoyager really flexes. Under the hood, Toyota pairs this camper with a powerful, torque-heavy engine designed for hauling and off-road punishment. The 6.6 drivetrain gives you insane traction. Whether you're crawling over rocks, pushing through sand, or dealing with snow and mud, multiple drive modes let you dial in the setup depending on terrain, and the suspension is tuned to handle weight without feeling sloppy. On the highway, it's surprisingly smooth for something this big, soaking up bumps and cruising comfortably at speed. Off-road, it feels unstoppable. Like it's daring the trail to try harder. When it comes to pricing, let's be real, this is not a budget camper. The 2026 Toyota NovaVoyager 6.6 camper is aimed at buyers who want premium capability and are willing to pay for it. Expect starting prices to land in the high six-figure range, depending on configuration and options. Fully loaded models with all the bells and whistles can climb even higher. But for that money, you're getting a rare combo of Toyota reliability, hardcore off-road performance, and legit livability. Compared to custom-built overland rigs, it actually starts to make sense. So who is this camper really for? It's for adventurers who want to go way off the grid without giving up comfort. It's for people who want a rig that can handle brutal terrain during the day and still feel like home at night. The NovaVoyager 6.6 doesn't try to be flashy for no reason. It's built with purpose, and you can feel that in every detail. And that's the lowdown on the 2026 Toyota NovaVoyager 6.6 camper. If you're into extreme campers, overland monsters, and rigs that push the limits, this one's a total vibe. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next here on St. Brazil Reviews Hub. Drop a comment and tell me if you'd take this beast off-road or keep it cruising. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and keep chasing the open road.